that's fine. That's what they needed. Nice and fine, and that's gone for 4. Certainly now there's 9 runs in this over, and there's still 1 ball remaining. The Russian judge. You would have had some fun tonight. If you haven't, you've got to download it. Oh, that's a big shot. That really is a big shot. That's a great way to start the over. My goodness me, that is...
Shinwari. He's predicted the short ball. Laksan just
gone high and should be taken. Oh no, he's misjudged it. He's coming too far. So that's it.
Danushka good at 168 for 7 months.
Exactly 11 runs and over required. So that's hard. Hit hard. Just the one. Oh no! That's an faced by Mendes. That is bad luck for Chishara. It's a couple of times in the bowler.
Those last 2 blows.
That is bad luck for Chishara. It's a couple of times. He's been on the receiving end of some ordinary fielding. Slaps that over extra cover. There's always runs. Full toss. He's got that away as well. Not where he wanted to, but he'll bank that. He won't mind. Slow delivery, pulled, and has it gone? Yes, it has. That is a
7 circle champion shot. Shinwari playing a gem of an innings here. Exactly what the Dambulla Viking needed. Skids off the outfield. 12 off 9.
yeah, he's played well, Yashin.
The Dambulla Viking need.
Prize of catch it, should be out. Oh, it's through the hand and it's gone for 4.
All praise for
Shirley. We'll finish at 1 o'clock.
Well, Bhanuka Rajapaksa needs to think of having a fielder where he swings. I'd say a long on as well, just in case to take a catch.
I agree. Last ball. Oh, it's a freebie. My goodness. That is a very ordinary delivery. Yes, the ball's a little bit slippery, but disappointment there. Terrific stuff from Dambulla Viking. They've got up and won this one. Celebrations on the sidelines. It was a bit of a